Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer integration for WooCommerce. As an e-commerce entrepreneur who has navigated the complexities of funding and growth, I can tell you that the best integration isn't a specific plugin. It's about the direct connection to the Wayflyer platform itself. Wayflyer is not a traditional WooCommerce app you download from the marketplace to add a feature like a review system or a payment gateway. It's a revenue-based financing and analytics platform. Its power for a WooCommerce store comes from a straightforward data connection. The integration process, it's all data. When you apply for funding with Wayflyer, the crucial step is securely linking your WooCommerce store data. This is what I did, and it's surprisingly simple and non-invasive. Secure connection. You connect your store via API keys. This is a standard, secure way to allow any external service to read data from your WooCommerce shop. You generate these API keys in your WooCommerce settings under Advanced or REST API. You then provide these keys to Wayflyer's system. What it reads. The system reads your core performance metrics, your sales history, customer data, and sometimes your inventory levels. This isn't about changing anything on your site. It's purely about data ingestion for their analysis. Beyond WooCommerce, for the most accurate funding offer, they'll also ask you to connect your other key platforms, like Google Analytics and your Meta/Google Ads accounts. This comprehensive view is essential because it shows the full picture of your growth potential, not just what's happening on your storefront. My first-person experience. From my perspective, this data connection is the best integration because it's fast, flexible, and hands-off. Speed. I was approved for funding and had the offer within hours of connecting my data. A traditional loan application would take weeks. The API connection is the key enabler for that speed. No code/plugin headaches. Because it uses the native WooCommerce API, you don't have a third-party plugin that might conflict with other parts of your site or slow it down. It's a clean data pipe. Focus on growth. Once the data is connected, that's it. Wayflyer's team and their algorithms use that data to tailor a funding offer that makes sense for my specific revenue cycles. The best part? The repayment structure is a percentage of your daily revenue. So if sales are slow, the repayment slows down too. The seamless data flow ensures this mechanism works perfectly, directly aligning their success with mine. So, while there's no single best Wayflyer plugin for WooCommerce, the standard API key integration is the most powerful and effective tool for leveraging their platform to scale your e-commerce business. It's what allowed me to quickly secure capital for a major inventory order and drive my growth. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.